We are quite zoomed in. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have not sat down to film a tutorial in so long. Oh shit, I forgot to get some earrings. Do I need earrings? Yeah. Okay. Hi. Okay. Hey guys. Long time no see. I hope everyone's doing well. Next door, they appear to be doing some sort of touch-ups or whatever it is to their property. And there's a drill going on here and there. But it doesn't seem to be too disruptive, except that the lady was like shouting in Afrikaans, but hopefully you don't hear her. I had a vlog planned for today because I figured that we're gonna go on with the rest of the year doing weekly vlogs. However, last week ended up in shambles. I had an event on Friday, but I ended up having a family emergency on the Friday. So I literally was at this event for a whole 10 minutes and I had to leave. That meant that my day was sort of occupied with family stuff. And then Saturday as well, I had a birthday lunch which I thought I could vlog, and I didn't know anybody there. I mean, only like the birthday girl, like 5 people. Everyone else was unfamiliar to me, and I just didn't feel all the way comfortable vlogging as well. So I was like, you know what, let me do a get ready with me today. I haven't done one in such a long time, and we can just catch up and whatnot. We got new hair going on, guys. I am so sick of, if I wear another wig, please just remind me of how annoyed I became. Just so tired of putting on a wig, honestly. I had relaxed my hair, so I've been wearing my hair natural, and then I was like, oh, seems like about the time I need to put on wigs again. And I was like, nope, I'm not ready to put on a wig again. So we are working faux locks, the trending hairstyle of 2020, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna get into this phase. I'm gonna be using a bunch of new makeup that I'm trying out. Is it gonna be all new? I don't know. First of all, we're just gonna prep my skin. I'm taking my Marc Jacobs dewdrops, and we're gonna keep this chatty and informal. So how's everybody doing? I know we don't get to chat much, or when I'm doing like a vlog and stuff like that, to like address you guys directly. This Marc Jacobs dewdrops has actually grown on me. I at the beginning wasn't too keen on it, but actually I'm not mad at it. It's quite subtle, it's pretty, and it just gives the skin sort of like a luminous glow, a luminous shine. So I'm not all the way mad at it. I'm gonna go over that with my MAC Luster Drops in Bronze Hero, yeah. And normally I mix the two together, but I mean, there's no difference between just applying one on top of the other. I suppose she's gonna. So there we have some glowing skin, dewy, radiant, glowy, perfect for summer. If I was on vacation, an island holiday, I'd call it a day and walk out the house like this. We're gonna get into an oldie but a goodie foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Float Foundation. It's a shade I've never tried before. I think most black girls, when they go into MAC, especially in the beginning of their makeup enthusiasm career, we're all given the shade NC50, okay? And if you're more or less my shade. Now, my skin complexion now, after getting to understand my shade more, my complexion more, my undertone and everything like that, I realized that NC50 was a little bit too warm. It oxidized to become a little bit too dark for me, and then it was suggested that I try NC47, and I didn't know this shade existed until a couple of years ago. Never really went around to MAC to get it actually, just because I had so many options and it really wasn't at the front of my mind to go and pick it up, but they ended up sending me my shade NC47. So it's the first time I'm gonna try it. I don't have the pump. I need to go and pick up a brand new pump to use this. So we're just gonna go old school with it and go on the back of my hand. I know that this foundation oxidizes, and this shade really seems to be a gorgeous match. But MAC Studio Fix, guys, is a beautiful foundation. I mean, I love the formulation, honestly. Look at that. Lot of foundations, lot of companies. So my mom says I look so much younger with this hairstyle. What do you guys think? I think whenever I do braids, I tend to look a lot younger. Sure, wigs give you rich auntie vibes. Yeah, there's something about like natural-ish hair, whether it's faux locks or whatever it is, that gives you a younger vibe. So there we have it. That is NC47 on the skin. I absolutely love the shade. I love the coverage. We'll see how it dries down and how it's, you know. I'm complementing it with my MAC Studio Fix concealer in NC45. To set my under eye area, I'm going in with the Chanel Natural Loose Finish Powder. This is actually discontinued. I picked it up a couple of weeks ago. It wasn't on the counter. I asked them if they had it in the drawers, and they did. But I do think Chanel is coming out with a different variation that matches your actual foundation shade. So it's not going to be a translucent powder. It's going to be you know, whatever shade you are or whatever shade you want, basically. But it's very mattifying, so you really have to go ham with the makeup mist just to bring some dewiness back to the skin, because it is super mattifying, which could be ideal during summertime. I'm gonna go over everywhere else with my MAC Studio Fix powder in NC47. They also sent this to me along with the foundation. I'm gonna bronze up with my Smashbox step-by-step contour kit. I'm taking the MAC 150 synthetic brush. This was also sent to me with my drop. I'm gonna spritz a little bit with some Fix Plus. For eyeshadow, I'm opening up my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm just going for something super neutral and simple. I remember I went through such a color phase earlier this year as we were like heading into lockdown. I bought all sorts of eyeshadow palettes that was super colorful, and that was like a phase I went through for like a month. Anyway, inside the Urban Decay palette, I'm going in with the shade Riff, and I'm just gonna place this all over my lid. I just want like a neutral, warm base of color. Nothing too crazy. This is my MAC 217 synthetic brush. For highlight, I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty. Let me use Gold Deposit actually. I haven't used Gold Deposit in so long from MAC. eyelashes off camera. I'm gonna keep my lips au natural today, because I did put on a lip scrub and some Dior lip glow. I don't know, I like how they look a bit natural, a bit glossy, you know. I think I like this. I'm not gonna do anything to my lips. And yeah, I think this is the finished look, you guys. Back this mirror up. It's ruining my shop. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me. It's been such a long time that I've sat and actually filmed a makeup look in front of a camera. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna be way more into vlogs now, because I know that's what you guys want to see. But here and there, I will pop in with a get ready with me just for that one-on-one time with you guys, you know. Until next week, I hope you guys keep safe and well. Remember to pop into my Instagram to catch up with me on the daily if next week is too far away for you. And that being said, see you on the internet. I mean, see you wherever I see you. Bye, guys. Oh my god, I forgot. How do I even do this? What? Bye.